Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable video toolbox on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here just scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now from here scroll down. Now from here just tap on video toolbox. Now from here scroll down and make sure you enable video toolbox. Now from here just tap on manage video apps. Now from here you can select the apps where you want the video toolbox to appear, just like that. Now from here just go to your home screen and open any of the selected apps. For example, we will open the gallery. Now from here, as you can see, a small bar has appeared on the left side of your smartphone. Just swipe from the left to the right. Now as you can see, we have enabled video toolbox. Now from here, you can screen record, take a screenshot, or you can cast the screen. And if you tap on the settings icon, you will go to the settings app. And this is how you can enable video toolbox on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.